How to change default terminal directory in VS Code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your default terminal directory in Visual Studio Code. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your VS Code, and after you do that, tap on Terminal on the top. If you don't find Terminal here, tap on the three dots, then hover over Terminal, then you'll find a new terminal option. Tap on it. And after you do that, here you will see your current default terminal directory. So if you want to change it, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to Preferences, tap on your File option on the top left. Then there you will see an option that says Preferences. Hover over there. Then simply tap on Settings, and you should be here. Now on your settings, you'll need to type in terminal.integrated.cwd. After you do that, you'll find this option right here. Simply you can tap on it, and here you will find your current default directory. Now all you have to do is change the location here. You will see that this is the path where terminal will be launched, and this is used as current working directory for all shell processes. Now, whatever current directory you want, you can simply write that down. So you can type whatever you want, and after you're satisfied with the location, you can then tap on Save. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.